The Muslim Student Association of Weber State hosted its second annual Ramadan Iftar Dinner, where over 100 students, faculty, and community members gathered to learn more about the Muslim faith.
We wanted the people to come and join us to see what really Islam is, who really Muslims are, and to tell them that we are no different than them.
Ramadan is a month centered on becoming closer to God. During this month, Muslims fast from sunup to sundown and do good works for the community.
When I fast, the thing I enjoy the most is spirituality. I feel so compassionate about fasting.
But it was clear this event was meant to do more than break a fast.
Our goal here at the university as a Muslim Student Association is to clear the stereotypes that people have against the religion.
Islam means peace itself. How can you imagine a religion which is called peace, which preaches violence?
The MSA addressed existing misconceptions about their religion and attributed them to a lack of unity.
We don't communicate to each other. It's because we don't understand each other. It's because we don't know each other as much as we should know each other. Watch for yourself what really Islam is. See for yourself who really Muslims are. All what we do is we talk about what differences we have. We never ever talk about what we have in common, what we share in common.
From the Union Building, Heidi Evans, Weber State News.